This contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way from the ring area from the south side of Chicago, he weighs in at 250 pounds. And his opponent from Limerick, Ireland, weighing 200.5 pounds, Angus McDuff.
Everybody watch! There's a lesson gonna be learned! Get out of here! Get your brother ass away from me! I'm not paying! It's your turn to pay, man! I bought the 24 pack and you drank it all! It was your turn to pay! You know it! I know it! I didn't get any of it! So I'm taking it out of you! It doesn't matter! It was your turn to pay! I paid last time! Come on, guys! You owe me money! I owe you nothing, man! It was your turn to pay! Back to the corner! Come on! Let's go! Where's your goal? Thank you. Complimented me on it last night too. Are you ready? I'm ready. Are you ready?
the result of a submission, the hooligan, James Hurley.
Okay. Wow.